There's been clamoring by America that they are killing Christians in Nigeria. Okay, it is not innocent. It is not innocent. When Goodluck Jonathan was in power, Nigeria needed to buy certain things to use in fighting that battle. The one who blocked us was America. We got machineries from a country, I don't want to mention that country, that was busy and they were having victories in Sambisa, all the places. The one who asked them to be sacked later was America. They are showing interest because they know that will divide the country. Then they can come in. Anywhere they step bonds. Any country that is richer than, in terms of mineral resources, than any country in Africa, it is Venezuela. Anywhere there is wealth, bonds. Be careful so that less they seem to be bringing help, but the idea is to penetrate and keep you bounded. There are countries that once they complain about your country, you are doing something right.
That boy you saw there is a Yoruba pastor called Pastor Femi Lazarus. He said that America is only coming to Nigeria to take our resources and to destroy Nigeria. He said that when other countries are speaking against your country, then your country is doing the right thing. See church where some Igbo people they go. See people where some of our Igbo brothers they call prophets, man of God. Donald Trump is saying that he wants to come and fight terrorism in Nigeria to save Nigeria Christians. This one we call himself pastor. They hear, they talk nonsense. Which resources is he talking about? The resources na Yoruba land today. How many resources Yoruba people get for this country? These pastors have brainwashed Nigerians to believe that God is coming to fight for them. Pastor Webi say he can never go to the north to preach. Christians are dying in the north. Which solution have this Yoruba boy provided to protect the Christians in the north? Okay, make America not come. Which solution are you Yoruba pastors providing to save the life of Christians in Nigeria? In Kwara State, Yoruba territory, what are Yoruba pastors and politicians even doing to see that the Yoruba people in Kwara State are protected? So many communities in Kwara State have been deserted. No single human being there for that community again. But instead, see the rubbish where this Yoruba pastor come online they talk. Say if other countries they speak against your country, say your country is doing the right thing. These people are only campaigning for Tinubu. They are protecting the administration of their Yoruba brother Tinubu. The most dangerous pastors in Nigeria are Yoruba pastors. Those Igbo people wey be say religion don't chop them. This is why they talk now go invest them, you go pepper them. Now till this bandits and terrorists go come kill your own family member or kill you, now that time you go know say na rubbish na this Yoruba pastor they talk. This is why we are saying that Igbo stop going to Yoruba churches. Stop to dey go church where they say na Yoruba person get am. They are all tribal bigots. How many Yoruba pastors they call on Donald Trump to come save Nigeria? Instead, they are all saying that Trump only wants to come and be taking the resources in Nigeria. So you dey protect resources instead of to dey protect human life. Resources that we Ukwa and the people that own that resources are not benefiting from it. Resources that Urobo people that own that resources are not benefiting from it. Resources that Ijaw people that own that resources are not benefiting from it. Resources that Igbo nation that owns it are not benefiting from it. Other tribes in the south that own these resources, they are not benefiting from it. And you are a Yoruba person that your land is barren when it comes to crude oil. You have the guts to be coming online telling people that America should not come, that America is only coming for our resources, that they are only coming to destroy Nigeria, that they are only coming to divide Nigeria. Northern Nigeria, they are busy there defending bandits and terrorists. They are busy negotiating with bandits and terrorists. See how northern leaders, senators, representatives, politicians in the north, how they are busy negotiating with bandits. Bandits, they come their house. Terrorists, they come their house. Fulani herdsmen, they come their house. All of them, they sit down for a table like this. They drink, they laugh, they discuss. Now, these people you want to make we stay with for the same country. People that are defending bandits. People that are killing Christians. If I tell them and say, Yoruba pastors are evil, so many people go to doubt them because of say they be Christian. Religion does not unite people. If to say religion they unite people, why will Yoruba Christians hate Igbo people that are also Christians? Nigerian pastors don't have any measure to counter these terrorists. They have never provided any security measures to protect the Christians in Nigeria. All they are saying is there's no genocide in Nigeria. All they are saying is Donald Trump should not come, that he only cares about the resources in Nigeria, that he wants to divide Nigeria. What a shame. The major problem of black people is bad politicians, bad religious leaders, and blind followers. Look at Kwara State. Kwara State is gone. For inside church, Kwara people, Yoruba people, they inside their church. They sing, they pray. Fulani bandits and terrorists enter church. Start to they shoot people, they kill people, they kidnap people. Make Donald Trump come. Make he provide security for these people. Make he save our life first. Evil Yoruba pastors are against it. You know why? Because they don't say, if Donald Trump come now, people will not be going to church that period. Many people will stay for house because of waiting Donald Trump will do that period. They find bandits and terrorists, they kill them. These pastors don't want time. That was why they are all quiet. So many of these pastors are puppets to the government. Politicians are using all these Yoruba pastors during campaign. Just like Buhari used Fadambaka during campaign against Jonathan. And Fadambaka succeeded by telling Igbo that Goodluck Jonathan is bad, that Goodluck Jonathan is bad luck to Nigerians, that Buhari is the messiah of Nigeria, that Buhari will deliver Nigeria. Fadambaka was saying it that it's a prophecy. God prophesied to him. Last, he can't prove say Fadambaka was lying. Fadambaka yento deceiving people everywhere. How Buhari government they treating Igbo? What we are seeing is Operation Python dance, Operation Crocodile Smile. The Messiah where God bring come. Now Buhari take Python dance and Crocodile Smile. They kill our people for Southeast. Buhari start to fund terrorist organizations called the Bubago. They start to kill Igbo. Fadambaka, where is Fadambaka today? Fadambaka doesn't a Messiah. Where is Fadambaka today? That is the same thing that these Yoruba pastors are doing. Even if you be Christian, if your religious leaders are bad, call them out. Me, when they talk now, I'm not a Christian, but are they here? They talk on behalf of you Christians. But this thing why they talk now, it depends some of una. Instead of you people to be dragging these evil pastors, una go come comment section, they insult me. I thought you are doing Igbo unification. You know they talk about Igbo unification again. You have lost focus. You are not dragging pastors. Pastors are not your problem. Pastors are not the reason why Igbo are not united. They talk different things. Their life is in danger. They don't know whether or not today they go kill them. They don't know whether or not this evening they go kill them. They don't know whether or not tomorrow they go kill them. They don't know whether or not next week they go kill them. They don't know whether or not next year they go kill them. Bandits and terrorists have taken over everywhere. Donald Trump won't come. Pastor will not get solution to the problem of Nigeria. Pastor will not get solution to provide Nigeria Christians. He's busy saying that Donald Trump should not come. Make they kill us, the bandits and terrorists. Blind followers, they will always defend their evil pastors. The only company and factory where Oyedepo, Adeboye, Kumuyi then get na church. For one community, you go get like 5 winner churches. One community will get like 10 redeemed churches. Deeper life everywhere. Everywhere for Ebola na church. Every day, people are paying tithe and offerings in that church. Do you know how many billion that these Yoruba pastors are getting every day? They're not saying they talk, say federal government go come for them. That's why they rather shut up for bandits and terrorists to be killing you people. They are after their business. They want to protect their business. They want to make sure say they're not they get issue with their business. And that is why as Yoruba government, they maltreat Igbo people. So lock Mazina, they can't up for jail. They do in Igbo different evil things. Yoruba pastors will never speak against it because they don't say they speak against them. So many of their Yoruba people go stop to go to their church. They will come, they lose money when they extort from their fellow Yoruba people. Those Yoruba pastors know that if they say any bad thing about Igbo, that so many Igbo people will stop going to their churches. But if you they talk this thing now, all these Igbo people where they say they don't chop them finish, they go compensation, they talk rubbish. People where they say they fit kill them tomorrow, terrorists might kill them today, they might kill them tomorrow, they might kill them next tomorrow. They go they come for a person where they say you are exposing these bad pastors. The major weapon fashioned against Igbo is religion. Where will you get okay maybe an Igbo? Nigeria is bleeding. Nobody know whether Naim be the next person. If Nigeria better today, so many people will stop going to church. And they go really affect these pastors. That's why these pastors, they don't care whether the country they born. Because they don't say, as Nigeria they born now, they're going to get more offering and tithes. People go to pay tithe to stay alive. People go to pay offering to stay alive. Father Lord, protect me and my family. I use this offering as a seed for you to protect my children, for you to protect my daughter, for you to protect my son, for you to protect my husband. People go to put tithe and offering. Security is why we say your pastors are supposed to be calling on Tinubu to give you security. Security is why we say your pastors are supposed to be calling Donald Trump to come and give you people security. Instead, pastor they tell you say, nah God where you never see before, nah God where no go ever come back and save you. Make you dey sow offering, make you dey sow your tithes, make you dey give am donation, make God come protect you. Africans una who don't finish. Now why Oyibo people talk say devil is black? That black where they talk now black people, Africans, because Africans majority of black people they don't have sense. Now why be say now them be the easiest people where be say Oyibo people use do slavery. To take black man do slavery, they very simple because many of them don't reason. You they pray, make being where you don't know come protect you instead of using your brain to protect yourself. The only thing where Chukwu Kikabia might give you now your brain. Technology today, now the handwork of brain. If brain not work, life not go good. Use your brain. Stop depending on God. Now God will come protect you, you go protect yourself. What's it? If you don't save yourself, your God will save you. No, we are not they do like that. You are waiting for God to fall down from the ceiling of your church to come and protect you. Igbo, stop going to Yoruba churches. Stop going to Yoruba churches. Yoruba pastors are very bad people. They are tribal bigots. See how this man no want make Donald Trump come. He thought say if other countries start to complain about your country, say it means say your country is doing the right thing. Our country is doing the right thing for not providing security to protect our lives, to protect the Christians, Abi. Igbo, stop going to Yoruba churches. Igbo, stop going to Yoruba churches. Those that have ears, let them hear. Yoruba pastors are evil. Ishiegwale.